Welcome to my baking aisle. Let's bake these healthy, quick, delicious cookies. These cookies are made from oat and they're pretty easy to make. To begin, grab a bowl and add 100 grams of oat flour. Now this oat flour is not from your quick oat, but from traditional rolled oat. Next, you want to add another 100 grams of whole rolled oat, okay? Then to that, you're going to add half a teaspoon of baking powder, a quarter teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of ginger powder, and a half teaspoon of cinnamon powder. And now you're going to give that a quick mix, okay, until everything is well incorporated. Now onto the wet ingredients. Add 130 grams of applesauce. Next, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 50 grams of date syrup. Next, you want to mix everything together until it is well mixed. So once everything has come together, you now want to add 120 grams of chocolate chips. Guys, this takes these cookies to another level. Now when you've done combining everything, you want to scoop that onto your parchment-lined baking tray, okay? I initially had 11 scoops, but I adjusted it to get 12. Now when you're done, you're going to use the back of your spoon to shape each scoop into a disc. From time to time, you can dampen your spoon to help that process, okay? Because sometimes it would stick. And when you're done, guys, you're going to bake this in your oven that is preheated to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. And you're going to bake it for 20 minutes. And guys, this is what you have. Look how beautiful they look. And I can tell you, you know it is absolutely delicious, guys. These cookies are so good. You won't stop eating them. And just like that, that's the end of this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching to the end. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not already done so. And if you have, thank you so much and welcome back. If you do subscribe today, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Thank you and see you in my next one. Bye-bye.